An out-of-control driver barrels through a crowded parking lot, hitting multiple people in a matter of seconds.
Just was sitting there, and you see it hit the truck, a gray, dark Tacoma.
When witnesses come forward, they say this was no accident.
She ran directly into them intentionally.
So she went inside, you denied her the program, and she came out. That's probably why she was upset.
This is Inside the Crime, presented by Law&Crime. I'm Elizabeth Millner. You know, we're able to bring you these stories because of our incredible partner, Morgan & Morgan. There's a reason why Inside the Crime is one of the top true crime shows on YouTube, just like there's a reason why Morgan & Morgan is America's largest injury law firm. For more than 35 years, they've been fighting for the people and have recovered more than $30 billion for their clients. The proof is in their track record. With more than 1,000 lawyers across 100 offices nationwide, hiring Morgan & Morgan is like hiring an army to go to battle for you, a team that will fight hard to get the clients the compensation they deserve. Not all law firms are the same. Hire the wrong one and you may be beat before you even start. If you're ever injured, you can check out Morgan & Morgan, and their fee is free unless you win. For more information, you can go to forthepeople.com/insidethecrime, click the link below, or scan the QR code on your screen. A beloved grandmother lost her life in this deadly hit and run. When the driver's sentence was handed down, the family was left furious, not over just the sentence, but two simple words the driver never managed to say. It's July 27, 2023. We're in Miami Gardens, Florida. It's just before 11:30 in the morning when police get word of a terrifying incident in the parking lot of the Community Action and Human Services Department.
Right here.
Ran him over?
Yeah, she sprayed me on the chest with whatever the mirror was.
And 2 12 1 and a half hours came
This lady, she got the rest.
All right, start from the beginning. What happened?
It's a gray car standing here, truck, Tacoma, gray dark color Tacoma truck.
A gray Dodge Tacoma?
Dark.
Dark.
Gray dark Tacoma truck. It was standing there. It was sitting there. We didn't know.
Gray Dodge Tacoma?
Yeah, Tacoma.
Toyota Tacoma. Which way it went?
It went rolling down here and went that way, so it went east.
It went east. How long it left?
About 5 minutes though. It could have jumped on the expressway down
Saw
there.
the driver?
No, we didn't see nobody because it was dark.
Okay.
The car went
Oh, 16405, Northwest 2nd Avenue. Reference 2 pedestrians hit by truck.
this car.
And all, so it came up.
It just was sitting there. We don't know. It just was sitting there. And you see, it hit the truck, a gray, dark Tacoma.
Also, the motor vehicle.
We're just trying to catch
The
it.
black Toyota Tacoma.
Trying to catch it.
Yeah.
So
they pulled out.
Put that one right here. See how it hit the car? And we all was standing probably like right here.
Okay.
When I
5-minute time
heard
delay.
it was some wheels, I thought it was coming away.
Okay.
And it sprayed me right here.
16405, Northwest 2nd Avenue.
Yeah, but I
It is
know.
for Toyota Tacoma gray color. A black Toyota Tacoma.
Altogether, police say 3 people were struck out of nowhere. One of the victim's injuries were so bad she had to be airlifted to the hospital.
What we got? It's the male victim. He was standing next to his mom with the counselor.
That was your mom who was
his
on the
mom's
floor?
in the ambulance right now,
With the head wound.
unconscious, but breathing.
Correct.
And I got her passport information. I'm gonna send it to your phone.
Thank you. And that's his mom, and he
That's
was
his
just standing
mom.
right there?
Those are his 2 children. The one Down syndrome guy, kid,
Right.
and the little black girl right there who's not sickly.
And they were just
And
standing
they were
right there?
standing right there where the counselor is right now.
Right.
And they were talking to the
And
counselor, and a car pulled out of here,
Hit them.
went over the
Curb.
and continued going that way. So I'm thinking maybe that building, which is a hospital, may have cameras on it when they go past.
Call him. How you doing, sir?
I'm all right.
Did you get hit?
Yeah, I got
Which
hit,
one?
but I'm just scratched up that little bit.
And that was your mom?
Yeah, that's my mom.
You were just standing where?
Yeah, we was all standing right here.
Right here?
Yes, right.
I just wanted.
Yes,
And then that vehicle from there
yes. They
Came-
came shooting out of here as she was talking to us.
and hit both of y'all,
Right
Yes,
here.
yes.
and then went all the way down there.
All of us was standing here.
You didn't see the driver?
No, I didn't see the driver. I
Okay, it
couldn't
happened
see.
so fast.
Yeah.
Anyway, the car was dark. The tinted window was too dark. to see
Toyota
anything.
Tacoma.
New details began to emerge from witnesses who spotted the driver before she got away.
I seen when him and his kids first came before he got hit. They was behind me. They parked
So the
behind
car was here, just randomly pulled off.
me. It randomly skirted off. It didn't try to
It was
go
back
around.
then, or
It was back then.
okay.
They didn't try to go around. She didn't at all. She just went straight into
And they were
him.
standing in the middle of the street?
Yeah, they was just going to cross.
Okay.
His kids was like right there because they wasn't in the road yet. He was going to cross and the other man was going to cross.
So there was kids out here and
it was
those
2 kids.
two and the lady.
Yeah, it was 2 kids. I think they went back to the vehicle. His kids.
Okay.
Yeah, they went across at the same time, him and the other man, and she went over them, like over. And she went over the stump too right there, and
So
went
she
around
hit
that
the
way.
curb, all that?
Yeah,
Or they?
and she went around that way. That's why
So
we
it
know
was a
her
woman?
face. Yeah, that's how we know her face.
Was there anybody else in the car that you know? What type of woman? Black woman?
Black woman.
Okay.
She had like tinted red hair, kinda.
Red hair.
It's like a puff.
Red hair, like natural puff.
Yeah.
Anything
It was her
else?
hair.
You know what
She's
they
an older
were?
woman. No.
Okay. 1 second.
Okay.
That is 212. Just an update on the driver of my case. It's going to be a black female, older age, natural hair. Okay. Just a little is what helps.
Yeah. Also, you know the woman that he said had to get back behind the tape. She's the one who seen her directly in the face.
Okay.
So she can probably tell you more in detail.
We'll get to it. It's just with this, my sergeant out here, we're just trying to cover.
Yeah.
But just stay here for me. Don't leave yet in case I need more.
Hey, find out if they got video.
No, Sarge, I can't. There's no cameras out here in the front.
Hit that car?
Yeah, supposedly from here. I'm not sure about that, Sarge. I had the outer perimeter. I'm sure that's where they. Shane, this is the car that they hit pulling out? Got it. No videos. I didn't see any cameras.
No videos.
I'll get the alarm number and all that stuff here.
Yeah, right here. I know they're flying the other, I guess that female that got hit.
Yeah, she's the one. Yeah, she's the one that's getting.
We need.
And we got THI coming out because apparently I don't think she's unconscious, bro.
Yeah, no, she's intubated. I know that. I overheard on the radio. The same alarm as theirs also.
God, I don't have that one.
It should be the same. It should be. I'll check, but
Okay.
Usually it's on this Garcia.
Garcia, got it.
I'll confirm though.
Okay.
But it should be the same.
Okay.
Yeah, it's the same alarm number.
Okay, which is it?
317.
Oh, same one. Got
Same
it. Got
one.
it. Okay, and you
Yeah,
guys Rescue 19, perfect.
And then that was Rescue 54
Okay.
for the I guess the other patient.
19, and it was Rescue 54 for
Was the other
female.
one? Yeah.
Got it.
That's the more serious.
Okay. Head trauma.
Yeah. Got hit by a car.
Yeah. So apparently, all the vehicles back in here, pulled out. You see a skid marks here. Ran him over, ran her over, and peeled right through the parking lot. Yeah.
Car on purpose.
Yeah. But we have her information. She was.
Yeah, I know. It seems like it.
Yeah, she was doing business inside. So.
All the witnesses describe seeing the same woman. When the dots start connecting, one employee hints at a possible motive.
You guys don't have video inside?
No,
Okay. Did they get your ID?
not my ID, no.
Okay. What was your involvement? You're the one that brought us the information for Cox?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me get this for you real quick. And how do we know she was the one
You gotta
involved?
I changed my address.
Okay.
So, okay, like I was explaining to them, I was outside on the phone,
Okay.
and I happened to turn this way, and all I saw was her car, either dark gray or black pickup truck. I saw her run into them, hit them, and rolled them over with her tires,
Okay.
rolled over the stump.
How
and
did you recognize her?
Because I had just came out. She was trying to apply for one of the services, and I told her she couldn't do it again because she had already received it.
And you recognize the same person that was
I
trying to conduct?
recognized her
Okay.
hair. I saw the side. She's short. I recognized that hair a mile away.
Well.
It was her.
Yes.
She didn't have tints on her window.
Diana. We're touching
No,
on her.
she didn't have tints.
Oh, hey, D, what's up?
I was just talking to her. I was just talking.
Yeah, I'm on the outside perimeter. Shane Bastillo is the primary. Yeah. I'll send it to you.
Registered to her. I tell
Okay,
you. I point it out and tell you that's the truck.
Okay, so you recognize her because she was applying.
She had just came from out of here,
And what was she
I
trying to
told her
apply?
she couldn't do it.
Got it.
Yeah.
And what was she trying to apply for?
Care to Share program, a light assistance program.
Care to share?
Yeah. So I guess she got angry, I'm assuming, because of what happened.
So Care to Share, you recognize her? What was she wearing?
I know she had on a dress. I don't remember the color of it, but her hair was unique because it had color in it, and it was like a natural fro.
Sharon Cox, right?
Her. Yes.
Black female?
Yes, and I also looked up her lights. That's how I know it was her.
You looked up her what?
Her lights. Her account, before she left, I had just looked up her account to see if she could do the program.
Okay, and what program was she applying for?
Care to Share.
Care to Share?
Ran directly into them intentionally.
So she went inside, you denied her the program?
Yes.
And she came out, that's probably why she was upset.
Yeah. That's the only thing I could think of, yeah. If you guys get that truck, whatever truck is linked to her, and you show us, we all can point that truck.
You guys have no video inside?
No, we don't have video inside.
Did she react to say anything to you when you denied her?
No, she just said okay. She just said okay.
Kendra?
And the lady's son, I don't know if he's still here. Once I showed him the picture, he know for sure that was her. And when he described her, I said the same thing. That was her. That was her.
And she had a colored dress on, and you recognize her. So you recognize her in the vehicle.
I recognized her when she went. Okay, when she hit them, she went this way, and I saw her hair.
Got it.
The exact hair that I saw when I was talking to her.
Got it. Okay. She said Sharon Cox came in and applied for what's called a Care to Share. I said, what kind of program is that? She says it's FPNL. Answer this. It's hard. She said it's called a Care to Share program. I said, what is that? She goes, that's an FPNL assisted program. I denied her based on her credentials. She was denied. She got upset and left. She said to me that she recognized her as she's exiting the parking lot. She took a really good look at her and she said, same puffy hair. And she said a dress. She was wearing a dress. She immediately recognized her because she just denied her claim.
Did she see the accident?
Yeah, she told me she witnessed it.
Yeah.
So this lady, the social worker, also witnessed the accident.
She told me I asked her. She said she witnessed it.
Yeah.
And there's another witness and now over there.
All right. So who's that female?
Police confirmed it was 62-year-old Sharon Leola Cox behind the wheel. Plus, when detectives arrived to her home, there was a major piece of evidence parked right in the front lawn. The same gray Toyota Tacoma witnesses saw at the community service center hours before.
Good afternoon.
How are you? Detective D.S. Is the vehicle here?
Right there.
Start to.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is it because of the accident? I'm gonna have to call. Is that okay with you? I'm gonna have to go to a question about the accident. If you don't mind, go to the station. I can have Officer Garcia here taken to the station, and I can recognize this number. I'll talk to you over there. Is that okay? You all right?
I'll take you to the station. I'll take you.
You know, he'll take you. I know you know him, so you feel more comfortable with him. You all right?
Yes.
Miss Cox, okay?
Okay, let me
hold on. You'll take her 05 and I'll correct you with her car.
Yeah, okay, just give me a second, all right?
I'll take that. I don't want to go.
Miss Cox, you got the keys for the car?
It's in the house? Is he in the house?
Just all I need is just the key for the car. You can keep everything else on there.
That's me straight sometimes.
143. 143. Okay.
You don't have an alarm, do you, on it? On the car? Is that the remote for it?
Just the remote.
Okay. Okay.
You want the remote?
Yeah, if I can.
Yeah,
just
so
make it
open
easy.
and close the car. It makes it easier.
143. Can you show me on 9 with a report and show me out 5 minutes real quick? We're off for 3 minutes, please, no?
Thank you.
Mommy, guys.
Garner's 211.
211.
211. Can you send me a record for THI? Reference this vehicle to my location. Yeah.
1615.
Did you do the report over there?
No, if I remember, it's THI. Diaz does it. All we do is Saint Secure, that's it. Good. Good.
You can check the license plates, right?
She's
I
another
ain't
criminal.
driving. Listen, I'm gonna go ahead and fix it.
I know her for
I ain't-
16 years. As long as I know my wife, she's another criminal.
Listen, if you see me on the streets, just remember you know me. No, I'm just like, nah. I'll go ahead and do that like ASAP. What? Oh, thank you very much.
You know her? Is it?
Yeah.
Is she gonna go inside the house? Or
No, she good. She good.
I got the keys for the car. Diaz, okay? Yeah, I got the keys and the remote.
Hey, I'd try it.
Honestly,
I'll
it tastes
try
good.
Yeah?
Yeah,
But
I
you have to
agree. My wife.
You can't eat it like that.
No, they eat it like that. You put it on a salad, it's fucking egg.
Is there any body that you didn't want?
Oh, so let it back.
There are no. I'll unlock it. This is unlocked. $211, kiss game. Give me a second, Flaco.
For reference, this female, this black female, Sharon Leola Cox, there's going to be out of
I'm gonna put you on speaker, Jose.
Okay, so wait a minute. The first one is going to be an in-state pickup only, and it's for Georgia. The probation violation failure to maintain possession of marijuana. The second one is out of Brunswick Sheriff's Office.
She has two
So that's
40s.
going to be limited extradition only to
She has two
tri-state areas, New
Georgia,
Jersey, New York.
New Jersey. She has two
Philadelphia, Connecticut, Delaware,
después Toshi.
Massachusetts,
Arriba, ¿oíste?
Maryland,
That's me,
Rhode
no,
Island.
Yeah.
Déjamelo ahí después.
Diaz, where's your desk at? 211. Kiss her. Flaco, you, Diaz, I was on the phone with dispatch. Am I leaving you the toast tip on your desk?
Yeah, leave it on my desk.
What's your desk, Flaco? I don't remember.
¿Dónde está el televisor ahí arriba? Al lado del televisor. It's like on the third floor. Just call me, bro, and I'll pick it up.
Okay. Thank you, Pablo. $211, copy direct. They're non-extraditable. Yes, so thank you. Go ahead, Jose.
Yeah, just no extradition and state pickup only for Georgia, and limited extradition on the second for the Tracy.
That better have the other 240s. No. 211, copy direct. Thank you. Yeah, the car's gonna be here. I'm standing by the Toyota Tacoma. It's a good QTH, bro. It's a good QTH. It's the truck is literally parked at her house. Hey, Melo just took her 205 with Diaz. I'm standing by on the Toyota to tow it. The old PD, yeah, 1020, 163. Pero está todo cojonado adelante, bro. You can tell, bro. Una piña se cayó. And she has 240s, bro. Yeah. One out of Brunswick. One's out of Brunswick and the other one's out of Georgia, non-extraditable. One's for probation violation. Yeah. Yep, for probation violation, marijuana possession.
Sharon was arrested for leaving the scene of a crash causing serious bodily injury. She was booked into the Miami-Dade jail where she was held on a $10,000 bond. But the damage she caused that day was irreversible. The woman who had to be airlifted to the hospital was ID'd as 67-year-old Patricia Garner, a mother of 3 and a grandmother to 7. The crash left her in critical condition, and she was put on life support. She passed away 3 days after she was hit. Sharon Cox was later released from jail after posting bond. Then she was placed on house arrest. In June of 2025, Sharon's attorney reportedly negotiated a deal with the state attorney's office, saying we had a signed contract, a signed plea agreement from both the state and defense for basically 10 years. It was going to be 366 days in prison, followed by 1 year of community control, followed by 8 years of probation. However, that deal was slammed by Patricia Garner's family, who labeled it as a slap on the wrist. The state later withdrew the deal, and Sharon was supposed to head to trial, where she could have faced up to 40 years in prison. In October of 2025, Sharon decided to plead guilty to leaving a crash resulting in death, plus 2 counts of leaving a crash causing serious injury. During sentencing, Sharon reportedly didn't even say "I'm sorry" to the victim's family, which left them furious. A judge sentenced Sharon Cox to only 4 years in prison. Online records show Sharon Cox is serving her sentence at a prison in Ocala, Florida. Her current release date is September of 2029. After she'll be on probation for 2 years, her license is revoked for 5 years, and she'll be required to attend traffic school plus 100 hours of community service. Thanks for tuning into this episode of Inside the Crime. I'm Elizabeth Millner. We'll see you back here tomorrow with another case.